Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lindsay and today we're actually going to be doing an unboxing video. I was actually kindly sent some stationery to kind of get my first impressions on it. Now, I've never used these products before in my life. I've never really bought anything from this brand. And if you guys are curious as to who sent me this like huge box, like it literally is the size of my face. This brand is TheWashiTapeShop. Now, they have been super kindful of just sending me some free stationery just to kind of get my intake on it. But if you guys really do like any of the products that I use, I actually do have a discount code for you. So I'm going to keep everything in the description down below, but you actually can get 10% off your order. So let's actually get to the unboxing. So this is the package they sent me. It is literally huge. Like I can't even have it on its side because it's just humongous. So I'm gonna open the box with a pair of scissors because I don't even have anything special to use. So I'm just gonna open it. Okay, I have yet to look inside this thing. I'm excited. Now, I can only imagine what this is. Obviously, it feels like a notebook of some sort, so I'm just gonna leave that there. And then they sent like all this stuff. So it looks like we have a Christmas holiday theme set. It looks like a pumpkin theme. Maybe a fall theme, some floral, just interesting. And then, oh, look, it's a cute little girl. This is absolutely so cute. Now, since I want to swatch these, I really think that we should hold off on these sets and kind of focus more on the notebook because I actually want to swatch the washi tape in the notebook itself. So I'm just gonna move these guys over. Okay, so we have a mystery box of some sort. So I have yet to open this thing. I've never used one of their notebooks before. I can only assume it's a notebook just from the actual size and kind of like layout this thing is. Okay, so I have yet to open this thing and I am super excited. So let me open this. This is so pretty. It has like almost this like holographic design to it, to the clouds. That's actually so pretty. And the back is just plain light blue, which is nice. And look at that. I've never had a notebook that had like this holographic gilded like page thing before. That's so cute. It actually feels like really sturdy. It feels really thick. I don't know about you guys, but I'm one of those types of gals that I don't like when my book feels too thin because it doesn't have that like almost that luxurious feel in a notebook. I don't know how to explain it other than that, but it literally feels pretty thick. Now, comparing my notebook that I use against the notebook from the WashiTapeShop, it is just a smidge smaller, just by a little bit, but honestly, like that's still a really good size because I'm one of those where I just throw my notebook into my bag, and my bag's not the biggest thing in the world, so this actually fits pretty well. Just I can't really fit too much stuff into my bag, but knowing that this one's a little smaller, it's almost like a cute little travel size. So yeah, so I'm super excited to actually look into this. So let's just open it up. And if anything, this is interesting. It doesn't really have a placement to put your name. but that's actually okay because sometimes I don't feel like needing to write my name. It's weird because usually with my bullet journals, I'm the only one that's really gonna see it, so I know it belongs to me. But at least with like a free range of to do anything, you actually have that. So you can make designs, you can make any type of layout, you can even actually start your notebook on the actual first page, which I think is really nice. So this gives you a lot more opportunity to do anything compared to something that's already preset. Now, this is really nice. It feels very smooth. If you guys don't know, I'm super picky when it comes to the texture of my paper. I don't like it when it feels too waxy, and I don't like it when it feels really dry because if it's too waxy, it just has a little bit too much shine and it kind of ruins like the different mediums I use for my notebook. And then if it's too dry, I just feel like that if I ever try to erase anything, it's just gonna like rip the paper. So this is like a good in between. And this is a little different. This one actually has a more of an ivory color to the pages than stark white. So sometimes if you don't want something so bold and so sterile, you could do something like a softer ivory, which is nice. And they're really not that dark. They look like standard dots, which is really cool. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna do a swatch of different types of pens that I actually use in my bullet journal. All the types of pens, markers, special markers, and even my stamps that I would typically use in my bullet journal. So we're just gonna see if any of them ghosted, and ghosted means pretty much if you see through it in the page. So if anything, it did ghost quite a bit, but it really ghosted out of this like holographic pen. But I mean, that's to be expected because of the type of pen that it is and the type of effect that it's trying to do. But oddly enough, I really thought the watercolor was going to be weird, and it didn't really do anything. It didn't like warp the page, it didn't really like crinkle it, but it does have some ghosting. So if you're a little bit more for junk journaling, or if you do like a K-pop journal where you do a lot of scrapbooking, I think this would be the perfect notebook for you. Now, these are the 4 sets of washi tape samples that they sent me. So it looks like they sent me 2 holiday ones and then 2 different types. So we're just gonna go set at a time. With the pumpkin spice collection, and what's really weird is that when you open it, it's not sticky. Like, it has like a backing to them, which I think is really cool. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to actually cut a small section off and kind of see how that plays. are all the swatches of the washi tape and the sticker sets that they sent me. So I kind of also swatched their pep tape as well and kind of created like little scenes, at least with some of their furniture stickers, which I really did like, and I actually did use my X-Acto knife for that. But if I had to be quite honest, that this is actually my favorite set. Now, I love this because it actually gives me a very muted, very toned down aesthetic if you're into like vintage journaling, vintage, you know, scrapbooking. I really love this, and I'm really excited but curious to actually use this washi tape. It's like a big strip of almost old-fashioned dictionary terminology for plants, which I really do love, and I actually might have something up my alley with this because it really just fits into the rest of my aesthetic for the washi tapes I already do have. And that's the unboxing for the WashiTapeShop. Now, I am excited to actually use all their products that they actually sent me. I didn't expect them to send all these nice goodies that they did. If you guys did see anything that you liked, or if you wanted to check out their website for more of their products, because they have a bunch of washi tape, honestly, and some of them are gilded, you can actually use my discount code Lindsay10 to get 10% off your next purchase. But definitely check them out because this is just some of their products, and I'm very, very excited to use them in my future bullet journal planning. But until next time, guys, bye!